Back outdoors. Back at it again. It's 9:30 in the morning. About to go hit it again. About to go meet my uncle. A little honey spot. And see what we can do. It's a good day. Early bird catch the worm. Yes, sir. It's time to have some fun. Hello.
Gotta get back. Then we start catching.
We back out here.
Stay tuned.
Y'all stay tuned. I'm finna go switch out and come back.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna try to light one up for you all today. That water coming in kind of fast too, cuz.
Hello. When I step in, you know the fish say, the champ is here, the champ is here. Get the black girl on the task one.
Yeah. We get to that.
Oh, that's cool. And the murder on the oyster bed.
Kung Fu finger you got?
I got number 3 on my other reel.
What is that in?
That's a one off.
You put the big ass fish still in?
Yeah. Can't be stingy with them push.
You got one on it?
One. Fish come out here for one thing. Eat. I ain't even full right there. No. Eat the head, dude. Yeah. I don't fish with the head. I fish with the bullet.
You got the head.
Yeah. That's just the bottom.
Here you go. I ain't getting muddy. Fuck doing that shit. Hold this to make up my hand. You got the rhino?
Huh?
Got the rhino?
No, the rhino in the truck.
I done fucked one of them. Run that damn bin over there.
So there you know.
Curry, give you a rod now. Look, you a rod, Curry.
Let him go. I don't want him, brother. He feel like drag, his ass is done. He feel like drag, his ass is done, I promise. You ain't go like that right there, you done. They can nibble, bite all they want to. We out here today, boys.
Motherfucker done your shit.
Could be your fences.
You put yours in the water like that when you cut it. I had the damn shrimp on it. I ain't get a little bit yet.
Trying to tell you, on. I had to learn the hard way. It's the mullet. That cut mullet. I wonder why I always coming back here. Ain't catching nothing, ain't doing nothing. Cut mullet. I don't kiss it. Lights eyes on.
See that damn thing that's going now. It's in the middle. I fuck up a deck piece. I can see it.
Yeah.
Now you're covered. When I come back here in the middle, or you see sand on.
This tide coming in.
What you?
I catch it every time I'm in like this.
Look at that French squisher at the house.
I just catch it this morning.
Like that French here, boy. I had one, but I saw it right there. I ain't catching the move. I let it move. So walk all the way down there, boy. That's not something to fucking
Yeah, but he's so big. You don't want to do that.
I know it's boggy. But that's something to put down here, man. Just,
I need to come through here and cut this grass down.
yeah. It's from my way here. I ain't even one.
Well,
It's nice size draw. Feel like some big boy and go to Big Rigs or something and get some crab meat. Put it out in the fucking oven. Lamb and shit. Shit, this guy cooked big.
hello.
Hello. I ain't had shit. I got a cooler full of fucking beer, boy.
At the house. Leave him home.
How the hell I can bring that heavy son Big Rig?
Well, you're supposed to have your personal cooler.
That in the trunk.
You're supposed to keep that.
Yeah, in the trunk, but he was shooting it. Give it to you by 11 o'clock. What else I have?
Too late.
Too late, but
Too late. You have one next 15 months.
that sure see them goddamn fish open their mouth to get that big ass fucking piece of meat.
I just told you.
Hmm?
But you know, them fish mouth wide now. You know, when they open, they spread wide. I'm telling you. The biggest one I catch back in the front underneath that tree during the same time.
Now you coming in?
Underneath that same tree. That make this right here. Even a double hook, and then I cut them off because the double hook in the top hook in was sitting all in the water. So I cut them off. I cut the top hook off. I'm like,
Hey, you do that.
first gotta come this way. Gotta come this way.
I know, hey, when you get a chance, hook that one here for me, man. That one did be fucking up.
See that swirl underneath the tree over there?
Yeah. Where is it?
Bass.
We had under the tree.
Under that tree over there. You keep paying attention. You see them start hitting the top of the water over there. That's a mullet.
Thanks, I mother too. We got around catching his ass over there. Wish you luck.
Yeah, old school thought we had to catch a mullet over there.
Who's who? Who be with you?
No, it's another dude. I've been catching mullet on the fishing rod.
That's fucking line.
I said, well, I ain't know what y'all doing, but you good? I said, get off there.
That's not on that. You fuck.
No, oyster bed.
Right around the corner?
Yeah, that's that same oyster bed.
That's what fuck my shit. Your foot should be going.
Is yours right here?
Right, right. Yeah, it can happen.
Oh, Paul,
You ain't never one, two, I don't know.
the hook just come off.
Oh, you know, come on. Yeah, I keep this motherfucker. I knew you was a goddamn blowing, because I can see goddamn all the time hitting them.
That's a good sign, though.
Yeah, I'm still gonna be, man. I ain't fuck with that. You better get around it.
I ain't going back around there. One spot.
You gotta keep going to me. Or you stay right there in the water. Trust me.
When that bass hit, you will know that bass hit. Recording now. Let's see what'll happen. Shit, we can't get another one.
Another one.
We live now. See, we can't get another one from the other day. See what live now.
Do the head, you kick your batteries, and you ain't hooked up yet.
You coming. See that there? You see that stick that's sticking straight off of that branch right there? Coming. Coming, y'all. You gotta stay tuned in.
I don't catch the push, I catch the buzz.
Don't catch a fish, you catch a buzz.
Ooh. Go right down the street. Yeah, something little on this son bitch. Must be damn crab.
You gotta make sure you charge. And make sure you fully charged.
How long you can stay charged?
My phone stay charged till tomorrow.
And recording?
Yeah, I can record all day.
All the time this goddamn water come up, the amount of water come up now, you still need
Something gonna happen. I can start tomorrow right here. But start tomorrow, watch this. You gotta go on that battery and hook up to some wind.
I've been thinking about that shit earlier.
Well, get big red on that battery too. I don't get some monster red. I throw them back. I don't get some 60, 65 inch red out there. A big channel red. No, boy, listen, we were catching them left and right. Every guy, we thought he been sharp. Come in red, 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 red. And they all the female because they all had the white stuff coming out of them. Throw them back, let them breathe. They coming in. We can't resist that cut mother.
Brian?
Oh, put them in the oven. Put them in the oven and let them go to work.
That's what I'm gonna do now. Put them in the damn oven and get some goddamn lemon and some goddamn shit. Lemon and shit over there.
Don't let him get you around that corner. He can pop you on that line. He can pop you. Pull you right up. Hold it up.
Get him from back there first.
Burn him. Just hold the pressure on him. Good turn. See you come back out. Yes, sir. That's what we do. Back outdoors, boys. Right on top of that oyster bed.
Ready? You coming?
Good? He's right here. He's swimming too. That's good. Let him go that way. Yes, sir. I don't. Oh. Oh.
That's what we do, big dog. That's what we do.
Yeah. want you to show him on camera. Grab him underneath the gill. Put your hand in his mouth. Put your thumb in his mouth.
Bag outdoors. This is how we do it out here. You feel me?
Yes, sir.
This is how we do it, me and Neff. All day long. That's just one. We got more to go.
That's a nice one right there, boy. Belly hook.
But that's something. Oh yeah, I gotta go get it. Yeah, with some beer. We got some break.
I tell you, that cut mullet ain't. That cut mullet and look. He hit the tail.
Go Barry.
Calling Barry Mobile.
I need that tree. He might be a little. Calm down. He might be a little muddy, y'all, but
Boy, as soon as you left, boy.
he might be a little muddy.
I got him. Yeah, I got him.
Yes, sir. That's what we out here for, boy.
That's a big time, big too, boy. me and Gary to celebrate now. I'm going to go get some beer now. Yeah, after I clean them off and everything, I can send the picture to you. We could be here for a minute. All right. That's all I want to do. See that one.
Well, I tell you, they coming. It's that
Yeah,
right
Gary.
there in that tree. It's that tree spot.
Cut another piece and put them and throw them back. I gonna get some beer.
It's that tree spot. They here. Once that first hit, watch.
What if somebody fucking a fucking line, boy? Now, when you put it in the corner, if I, like you said, hold that tip up.
If you ain't hold that tip up, he gonna run scream till I wish the bed. Scream till I wish. I trust me. I tell you, every chance I get, I come out there. If you don't hold that tip up, he gonna run you right into that oyster bed. And once he gets you to that oyster bed,
Hey, when I bring that fucker right there, he said he ain't fighting no more.
yeah, cause he done retired. He start swimming in. He done retired. He don't know he couldn't go nowhere. Right there.
You still on?
Yeah, he's still recording.
Yeah,
See the
see it
red on
again?
top?
A little muddy, like I'm saying, but this is what we do. This is the first one. Bag outdoors, but we gonna get more.
That's one of the original fishermen right there.
So I'm gonna make a beer run right quick. I'll be back. Okay, we gotta weigh this motherfucker out the gate.
You gonna weigh him out?
I ain't going away.
Well, I gotta go. If I gotta go get my old cows and shrew them in, yeah, I shrew.
You catch up on it.
Yeah, we gotta weigh them out. We gotta get some more mother out. Matter of fact, that's what I do right now. I'm gonna get my old cows in the truck right now. Daddy trained to put $120 cows in. Oh, thank God. Somebody said I got my truck right there. I'll throw the old cows in first. I'll throw the old cows in it. I ain't gonna throw my new cow in it, not from the West Marine. Hey, you give him some time. Leave it some. They can come back and throw at you. You gotta give him the time to go.
That's two over there.
Nice size.
One nice size. And a little one. What you got there?
Some big shit and mullet.
Alright.
It's more big right there.
Oh man, shit, yo, they're bigger than mine. Down. Yeah. Just like one on that middle hole.
Oh yes sir.
Yeah.
Yes sir. Yeah, you good.
That's a nice one there though.
You got. I'm telling you, it's that cut mullet.
Alright.
It's that cut mullet. Look, I gotta look. Whole bag of shrimp right here now.
Yeah, I see.
I cut mullet for me. Everything I put out there cut mullet. I don't want nothing else.
Oh, that's right. Alright, Bob, on the next flight.
Huh?
Catch you on the next flight.
10-4. Now you leaving already?
Yeah, I at work.
Oh, right, yeah. Damn, boy, I think they scared of me today. I think they scared of me today, man. Something.